Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
Retirement is a time of newfound freedom. Freedom from the daily grind, freedom to explore your interests, and the freedom to move at your own pace. But what if that freedom of movement could also be a source of joy, health, and environmental responsibility? As we embrace our golden years, it's the perfect time to rethink our relationship with transportation. For decades, the car has been king, but a new wave of mobility is cresting, one that is slower, healthier, and far kinder to our planet. We're talking about the simple, yet profound power of eco-friendly mobility: walking, biking, and scooting. For retirees, these modes of transport offer a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond just getting from point A to point B. They are pathways to improved physical and mental health, deeper community connections, and significant financial savings. In this video, we'll explore the wonderful world of active, sustainable transportation and show you how embracing a car-light lifestyle can enrich your retirement in countless ways. Get ready to rediscover the joy of moving your body and connecting with your world in a whole new way. Let's start with the most fundamental form of human mobility: walking. It's free, it's accessible to almost everyone, and it's one of the best things you can do for your health. Regular walking has been shown to improve cardiovascular health, strengthen bones, reduce excess body fat, and boost muscle power and endurance. It can also help to manage conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. But the benefits are not just physical. Walking is also a powerful tool for mental well-being. A daily walk can reduce stress, improve your mood, and sharpen your cognitive function. It's a chance to clear your head, connect with your thoughts, and notice the small details of your surroundings. In retirement, a daily walk can provide a gentle structure to your day and a regular opportunity for social interaction. You can walk with a friend, join a walking group, or simply enjoy the solitude and the chance to greet neighbors along the way. To make walking a regular habit, start small. A 10-minute walk around the block is a great beginning. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your walks. Choose a route you enjoy, wear comfortable shoes, and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Next up, let's rediscover the joy of two wheels with bicycling. For many of us, riding a bike is a cherished childhood memory, a symbol of freedom and adventure. The good news is, you're never too old to get back in the saddle. Cycling is a fantastic low-impact exercise that is easy on the joints, making it an ideal activity for seniors. It provides an excellent cardiovascular workout, builds lower body strength, and improves balance and coordination. And with the advent of electric bikes, or e-bikes, cycling has become more accessible than ever. E-bikes provide a gentle pedal assist, making it easier to tackle hills and longer distances. This extra boost can give you the confidence to explore further and ride more often, without the fear of getting tired or stranded. Whether you choose a traditional bike or an e-bike, cycling is a wonderful way to explore your community, run errands, or simply enjoy a beautiful day. It's a fun and efficient way to get around, saving you money on gas and car maintenance while reducing your carbon footprint. Many communities are investing in bike-friendly infrastructure, with dedicated bike lanes and trails that make cycling safer and more enjoyable than ever. For those looking for a zippy and convenient way to get around, electric scooters are an increasingly popular option. These lightweight, foldable vehicles are perfect for short trips around the neighborhood, whether you're heading to the grocery store, the library, or a friend's house. They are easy to operate, require minimal physical effort, and can be a fun and practical alternative to driving. Scooters are particularly well-suited for seniors who may have mobility challenges that make walking or biking difficult. They provide a sense of independence and freedom, allowing you to stay active and engaged in your community. When choosing a scooter, look for a model with a comfortable seat, a stable base, and good brakes. It's also important to practice in a safe, open area before venturing out onto busier streets. Always wear a helmet and follow local traffic laws to ensure a safe and enjoyable ride. Like bikes, scooters are a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to get around, offering a practical solution for reducing your reliance on a car. Embracing eco-friendly mobility is not just about choosing a different mode of transport. It's about a shift in lifestyle. It's about intentionally choosing to live in a place where you can easily walk, bike, or scoot to the places you need to go. When considering where to live in retirement, think about the walk score or bike score of a neighborhood. These scores rate the walkability and bikeability of an area, giving you a sense of how easy it is to live a car-free or car-light life. Choosing a home in a walkable community, with shops, restaurants, parks, and other amenities close by, can dramatically improve your quality of life. It encourages you to be more active, fosters a stronger sense of community, and reduces your transportation costs and environmental impact. It's a key ingredient in the recipe for a happy, healthy, and sustainable retirement. Of course, giving up your car entirely may not be practical or desirable for everyone. The goal is not to eliminate driving, but to reduce your reliance on it. It's about making a conscious choice for each trip. Could you walk to the post office instead of drive? Could you bike to the farmer's market on a sunny Saturday morning? Could you take a scooter to visit a nearby friend? Every time you choose an active, eco-friendly mode of transport, you are making a positive choice for your health, your wallet, and the planet. You are simplifying your life, reducing your stress, and opening yourself up to new experiences and connections. You're discovering that the journey can be just as enjoyable as the destination. So, we encourage you to step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and rediscover the joy of moving your body. Whether you choose to walk, bike, or scoot, you are choosing a path that leads to a healthier, happier, and more sustainable retirement with Freedomfully.